just another night. It's the night I've been dreaming of, the night I've been waiting for. You don't know what you do to me, just standing there, girl. From the moment I saw you, I knew one day you'd be right here in my arms, just like this. So relax, baby, let the candlelight guide your body, let the music touch your soul. Cause tonight we gon' make memories that never fade. Yeah. Tonight is the night. Let's begin. Girl, I have been wanting to be next to you for a long time. And now that you're here, let's not waste no time. It's just a pleasure to get you in my presence with your sweet perfume fragrance spicing up the room. This is the moment, it's gonna be a night to remember, cause good things come to those who wait. I've been waiting for a while, can't rush perfection, and I have faith that one day you would be in my arms. All this time I've been thinking about general things I'm gonna do to you. The way I'm gonna hold you, caress you, make you feel brand new. From the other side of the room you could hear my heartbeat, walking slowly towards you. In the middle of this room you love me, can't stand around no longer, cause love sweep me off my feet. So let's lay in the bed on these nice silky comfy sheets. Pebbles of rose all around the room, candlelight in the background, silhouette of me and you dancing on the wall. No need to rush things, time is everything, and tonight we got it all. I know you're feeling me, cause I can feel your trembling body. Cry out the ecstasy, you want me just as I want you.